Join me as I examine a so-called secret wealth hack and determine whether it's an effective way to retire. I've spent over 25 years helping folks navigate retirement. Real people with real lives and not just spreadsheets. I'm not here to sell you hype or hand you a theory. I'm here to share what works from firsthand experience guiding people through significant life transitions and into financial independence. Are you stuck living paycheck to paycheck, wondering if retirement will ever be anything more than just a dream? You're not alone. Millions of folks are trying to save for retirement, and let's be honest, it's tough. The standard advice you've been given for decades just isn't cutting it anymore. You've been told to save as much as possible, throw it in a 401k or IRA, and cross your fingers. But what if that's not enough? The truth is, we're staring down a full-blown retirement crisis. People aren't saving enough, and even when they are, they're not always investing in a way that gives their money a real chance to grow. Some are even racking up debt just to keep their heads above water. It's not just a financial issue, it's an emotional one too. One of the biggest obstacles is lack of confidence when it comes to investing. People don't know where to start or are worried about making the wrong move. And I get it. There's a lot of noise out there, and the investing world can feel like a foreign language if it's something you don't deal with daily. Even if you are saving and investing, there's always that nagging feeling. What if it's not enough? What if the market crashes right before I need it most? That kind of uncertainty can be paralyzing. But here's where this wealth hack comes in and why it's worth paying attention to. It's simple, it's powerful, and it's rooted in one of the most basic principles of building wealth: compound interest. Putting that force to work allows you to turn small, regular investments into something meaningful over time. This isn't about guessing when the market's going to go up. It's not about flashy trends. It's about consistency, starting early, sticking with it, and best part, you don't need a ton of money to make it work. The same amount of money at regular intervals. No matter what the market's doing, it smooths out the ups and the downs and keeps you moving towards your goals. Over time, compound interest does its thing, and that's where the magic happens. I've seen this strategy work repeatedly, not just for clients, but for myself. For example, you start investing $500 a month at age 30, stay the course for 30 years, with an average of 7% return, you could end up with over $1 million. That's math. It's not a gimmick, it's the results of discipline and time. One story that sticks with me is about a friend who started doing this in her mid-20s. She didn't have a big salary, but stuck with her plan. 2 decades later, she's comfortably retired, not because she hit the jackpot, because she simply followed through. Here's the key takeaway. This isn't about getting rich quick. It's about having a wise, steady strategy that works. It takes patience, it takes discipline, and yes, it takes some learning along the way. But the payoff can be life-changing if you're willing to put in the effort. You need a retirement strategy that works for you, not keeps you up at night. This one, it's worth considering. So, if you take nothing else away from this video, remember this: the real secret to retiring rich isn't a secret at all. It's about making consistent, informed decisions that build over time. Now, I want to hear from you. What do you think about this approach? Have you tried anything like it? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your story. And if you want more real-world strategies for building a better retirement, hit subscribe or follow. There's a lot more coming your way in this channel. If this helped you out, do me a favor. Hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss the next one. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I read and reply to everyone. And if you want to dig deeper into this topic, check out the next video. I linked it here. I think you'll find it super helpful.